Hi, hello, and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review another ROM. That's why you are seeing this blurry screen and wallpaper. Yes, that is right. So let's have a look which ROM it is. Well, it's bloody smooth, I can tell you. Well, it's the latest Android 12 of Evolution X. That is right. As you can see, the security patch for this particular ROM is 5th of March 2022, and it is an unofficial version of the ROM, and it's the GApps version. And as you can see, I'm using a GF Green Force kernel, and it's 4.19.234. And those who are asking for the kernel, I'm not sure. I have downloaded it from their Telegram group. Anyways, take a look at the build number or build date or something like that. If you want to download the kernel, you can download the kernel. It's a fantastic kernel to use. Well, it's having nice battery backup too, and as you can see, the SE Linux status is enforcing on this build. I'll tell you the reason why I'm reviewing this ROM, because as you can see, the evolution of your device now on 12.1. I believe it's on 12.1, the latest Android thing. I'm not sure. Some people call it as 12L. Some people call it as 12.1. So I'm also a bit confused. So if you're asking me, George, what exactly is 12.1 and 12L? I'm not sure, sorry, but I can tell you there are some features. As you can see, for the wallpaper thing, you can see there is a quick choice of wallpaper. If you want to apply it, you can bloody apply it. Why it is not applying it? So where exactly is it applying it? Okay, fine. So basically you can change your wallpaper from here. So that's an advantage with whatever bloody version this Android is on about. The ROM is using the default Google launcher, so you can see there isn't any much customization, nothing to worry about it. And if you are having the bloody Google, wow, there is a nice lady over here, that's fantastic. Okay, so if you are using the Google, you can swipe to the left to access the bloody Google news and stuff like that. Okay, so right, let me launch the app drawer first. As you can see in the app drawer, the ROM is not bloated with a lot of GApps, but some useful stuff. Gmail is not included, so it's having the default open camera. It's not using the Proton AOSP camera or Gcam Go and stuff like that. If you want to do that, you may have to download it from the Play Store. So that's about the latest update. As you can see, as I've already told you, you can change the wallpaper just by the options that you get from the home screen itself. Unfortunately, we don't get any sort of clock widgets, the Android 12 widgets with this ROM. I'm not sure why. That is something Evolution people have to do. Maybe it's a problem with the GApps because the clocks application is not available. I don't know if you install it from APK Mirror or something like that. Maybe you can maybe you can get it. Okay, so let me launch the settings page. Well, the settings page looks just normal. Before we proceed with the settings page, all I just want to tell you is that the ROM keeps the default user interface. So you will get the stock user interface, and with the quick settings, actually there is a dual tone kind of quick settings. As you can see, there is a black shade and white shade for the notification area, which looks awesome. And before we further proceed with the quick settings review, well, I just want to tell you that the app launching and stuff like that is quite smooth on this ROM. As you can see from the app launch and stuff like that, it's pretty much smooth. So expect a smooth ROM. This is what I want to say. Okay, so let me launch the settings page. The settings page keeps the default user interface. So the evolver is the customization section for this particular ROM, and as you can see, for the themes you can use black themes, and if you want to select dark theme, that also you can do, but there isn't any other color choices for the dark theme available yet. Well, the ROM comes with quite a lot of fonts, so if you want to change your fonts for your ROM, definitely you can do that. Then icon pack, then signal icon style, Wi-Fi icon style, and icon shape finally. So these are available in every ROM, nothing new in it. Then comes this status bar, and if you want to enable or disable some items on status bar, definitely you can do that. There is a traffic indicator customization too, and the display mode is just limited to dynamic download and upload. Nothing to worry about it. And even in battery icon style, you will get some stylings. Maybe this is 12.1 and maybe they are adding more customization, I don't know, but there is a wall light icon available over here. Then if you want to enable and disable data disabled icon, that you can do. Then some bloody things related to privacy indicator. Why do we need privacy indicator right now? Then comes the notification, just the normal stuff for the notification. Quick settings, unfortunately we don't have the option to customize the brightness bar, whether you want it on top or bottom. What about the automatic brightness button? I do not know. So basically those sort of customizations are not available in quick settings. Then comes the power menu. Well, just the basic stuff actually. Gestures, if you want to customize your system gestures, definitely you get the option over here, and you get swipe to screenshot too. Then comes the lock screen. If you want the lock screen, if you want to disable the ripple effect, you can do that, but there is no option to have the small clock on lock screen. Then comes the bloody buttons. Yep, just the basic stuff. And animation, I don't know, screen of animation, just the basic stuff. And miscellaneous game space, if you are a gamer you can use the game space. And if you want the 69 fps on your ROM or on your device, you can do that. Unlock higher quality streams, I'm not sure because it's using the Pixel 6 a fingerprint, maybe that's the reason why you are getting higher quality streams and stuff like that. Unfortunately I didn't check for 1K YouTube video or something like that. I didn't check that, so I cannot actually guarantee you what exactly it does. Then finally comes the team information. So this is what is about the EvolutionX customization option, and there are some more options here and there. As if you go to the battery settings page, there is an idle manager. So basically maybe by enabling this you are going to get some more SOT. I'm not sure. Let me show you my battery usage details. So basically this is how I am using my phone, and this is the statistics. So basically I got an SOT of 1 hour. I just charged it to 96% yesterday. Yesterday I think, yeah, yesterday evening, or I think 8 hours ago actually. So basically it's telling me I have 3 more days left. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so that is about the battery information. And let me take up the wallpaper and the style. Well, if you want to enable the themed icon, definitely you can do that. Even though it's 12.1, I cannot or I don't see a lot of changes in terms of privacy or in terms of function for the ROM and stuff like that. But I can guarantee you one thing, the ROM is quite smooth. So what are my verdicts? As I've shown you, the Evolution is filled with quite a lot of customization. If you are a customization lover, definitely you can use that. Then the vendor that I've used is the latest vendor from Frost. So I will post the reference in the description below. And well, my opinion about the ROM is quite good. I booted it on to my POCO M3 Citrus. So the ROM is quite good. So if you are a customization lover and you want to have some customization for your ROM, definitely you can try EvolutionX. That is my opinion to you. And what about gaming? I'm not sure about gaming. I don't play games, so I cannot guarantee you that it's going to have good experience with the gaming and stuff like that. So basically, if you want a stable ROM, stable Android 12 ROM, 12.1 ROM, maybe this is the first release for our juice devices 12.1, Android 12 ROM, you can try EvolutionX. That's my opinion to you. Once again, I would like to thank the person who has compiled the ROM for our juice devices, as well as for you for watching my review. Thank you very much.